Severe flash floods hit the U.S. Northeast on Monday, causing extensive damage and posing a threat to millions of Americans. The torrential downpours led to overwhelmed rivers, washed-out roadways, and the need for swift boat rescues. The flooding resulted in the tragic death of a woman who was swept away in front of her fiancé. The National Weather Service issued flood watches and warnings for more than 13 million people across the region. The storms that began over the weekend caused rivers and streams to overflow, exacerbating the flood situation. Vermont officials described the flooding as the worst since Hurricane Irene struck the state as a tropical storm in 2011.